Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the PNG version of the glossy black mug mockup in Pixlr. So just go to pixlr.com in any web browser, and then we're just going to click the Pixlr X Start Design Project button. And then we'll click Open Image to open the mockup off the computer. And then just find the mockup and click Open. And it's just going to ask us if we want to size it down. We don't really want to do that, so we'll just click Original and then click Apply. And now to add your design, you just want to click this square icon that says Add Element Image when you hover over it. And then click Add Media, browse your own files. It's going to open up a little dialog where you can open the design off your computer. And then it'll add it right in front of the mug for us. I'm going to want to size this down a little bit, so I'll just click and drag any of the four corners. Then when I think I got it about the right size, I'll just click on the image and kind of drag it into place. I can even click the corner and drag a little more if I want to. And then you can also add your own background. So to do that, just click the Add Media, Browse Your Own Files button again. And then find a background image off your computer. And it may add the background image in front of the other layers, so to fix that, just click on the back layer right now with the mug. And make sure it's unlocked. Like if it had a little padlock icon here, you can click it to unlock it, or you can click the three dot icon, and that'll bring up the layer menu and it'll show either unlocked or locked. Will be clicked if it's locked. If locked is clicked, then just click on the unlocked button to unlock it, and now you'll be able to drag the background layer behind it. So now I'm just going to click on the background layer and drag it to the bottom of the layers panel so it's behind our image. And that's all there is to adding a design and background to the glossy black mug mockup in Pixlr. Now you're going to want to save it. If you're going to use a thumbnail online on a site like Etsy, you'll want to save a version as a JPEG. So then just click the Save button and click JPEG. I change the quality to 100 and leave it on high, and then just click Save As. And it'll let you save it somewhere on your computer. And you can, click here where it says File Name and change the file name. And then it's going to think for a little bit as it saves. And we can just close this pop-up box. If you wanted a layered Pixlr document, you can come back here and click Save again. And this time just select PXZ. And I would toggle non-destructive on so it shows up blue there. And then you would just click Save As again. And please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you and have a great day.